Welcome back to TheStreet.com TV. I'm Brittany Umar in New York with a special introduction to exchange-traded funds, or as they're more commonly called, ETFs. It's one of today's most talked about investment vehicles, but what exactly is an ETF? An ETF is essentially an index fund that you can buy or sell just like a stock on the major stock exchanges. You'll often hear an ETF, like an index fund, described as a portfolio or basket of securities like stocks, bonds, or commodities, which means instead of buying and selling individual stocks one order at a time, you can invest in and trade hundreds of stocks, entire markets, or market segments with one simple order. This is known as index investing, and ETFs offer you the opportunity to invest in indexes as broad or as specific as you want to get. For example, you could trade the 500 companies in the S&P 500 index via the SPDR S&P 500 ETF. You could also focus on trading approximately 80 technology stocks within the S&P 500 via the SPDR Technology ETF. You can find ETFs that represent or mirror the performance of indexes of several different asset classes, such as large cap stocks, mid caps, low caps. There are also ETFs that focus on investment styles, such as growth or value, as well as ETFs that track various indexes of bonds, commodities, real estate, and foreign securities. To find out the specific percentages of how much is invested in each security within a particular ETF, simply review the ETF's prospectus. To stay up to date on the latest ETF news, commentary, and ratings, check out TheStreet.com's new ETF Center. And for more investor education, visit TheStreet.com University. Stay tuned for our next segment, where we will discuss the investor benefits of ETFs. In New York, I'm Brittany Umar for TheStreet.com TV. Stay tuned for more.